Python setting values without loop. I have a time series data frame where there is 1 or 0 in it, true/false. I wrote a function that loops through all rows with values 1 in them. Given user-defined integer parameter called n_hold, I will set values 1 to n rows forward from the initial row. For example, in the data frame below I will be looped to row the 5th of August 2016. If n_hold equals 2, then I will set both the 8th of August 2016 and the 9th of August 2016 to 1, 2. The resulting df will then is The problem I have is this is being run tens of thousands of times, and my current solution, where I am looping over rows where there are ones and subsetting, is way too slow. I was wondering if there are any solutions to the above problem that is really fast. Here is my slow solution. X is the initial signal data frame.
Completely changed answer, because working differently with consecutive 1 values. Explanation. Solution: remove each consecutive 1 first by where with chain boolean mask by comparing with ni, not equal, with shift to nans, forward filling them by fill with limit parameter, and last replace 0 back. Timings and comparing outputs. Timings.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.